Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? Are you having a good day? I hope you are, no matter what you're doing. So I went to Asda after my dog walk and I've basically picked up most of the ingredients for my evening meal tomorrow and probably the day after. And when I was walking out the shop, I remembered I forgot the main ingredient and I wasn't going to go back in at that point. So I'm going to have to go again, but obviously I won't film that because it's probably for one item, unless by tomorrow or later today I need more items. If there's 5 or more items I will film it. So I got petit pois. It said frozen peas, so I think these were the cheapest I could see. It was hard to get to the freezers because this guy was cleaning them out, so I just got what I thought was one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest ones. By the way, we are in the freezer currently. I got 6 orange juice lollies, which I couldn't get when I went on Friday, and I forgot to look yesterday, but some of the freezers were turned off when I went on Friday, so they didn't have many of the ice lollies out. That's it for frozen food. Then I got 1 Highland Spring large bottle of, because I'm getting very low. I don't know if I'm going to run out before Friday because apparently I don't drink enough, but I've just got one of them. I've got a sparkling apple and mango. This is my favourite sparkling water that my Asda do. They don't seem to do many flavours. The peach one doesn't taste like peach and I prefer Lidl's, but when we went to Lidl the other day they didn't have any. And the summer fruits isn't very nice. It just predominantly tastes like a sharp raspberry. And I think there's lemon and lime, which I've not tried, and I think that's all they've got in my particular Asda in the sparkling waters, so this is the one I predominantly get. Then I got a bag of carrots just because I couldn't be bothered getting, I think it told me to get 3 carrots. I'm making a recipe which I'll show you in a second. So I just got these because I think it's not going to be much more expensive to get this than to get 3 carrots. So it does have tomorrow's date on, but I am using them tomorrow. 1 onion, it's on a baking tray. Then it actually, I think it told me, well, it didn't tell me to buy pre-made mashed potato. It just says 700 grams of cooked mashed potato. So this is the same. I've just not bought potatoes, peeled them and boiled them. So it's easier. So I've just got 2 packs of that. It's 800 grams. So although I didn't want a lot of mash on it, never mind. Then I got a second sparkling apple and mango. Excuse me. Then a Listerine. This isn't for me because this is not the one that I use. And then I picked up this. Now I didn't want a shepherd's pie because I didn't want lamb. And there is one ingredient missing. You could probably guess what I forgot to pick up. And it would be the lean minced beef. Because I thought I'll go and get the carrots and the onion and then I'll get the mince. No, I just went straight to the frozen section. So I need to get some lean minced beef either today or tomorrow. I'm also going to be putting in either some passata or chopped tomatoes and some garlic puree just to give it a bit more flavour. So, I mean, it's got garlic powder in. I've just seen an onion powder. But I want it a bit more tomatoey. So there will be some kind of tomato in there. So that's everything that I've picked up. If I do go to the shop, oh, I've just remembered something else. I was meant to get butter. This is the 3rd time that I forgot to get butter. So I do need to go to the shop because I need a loaf of bread, I need some butter and I need some mince. So if I do get another 1 or 2 items, there will be another food haul. You're probably sick of them. So that is what I've got. Any questions, leave them down below. And I'll either be back with another top-up shop or the next video will be a weekly food haul. I hope your week's going very well so far and thank you for watching.